Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Firdan Akbar Pangestu. I am from class IF 103. Here I will present the result of the interview that I conducted yesterday. In this presentation, I will walk you how do student of informatic and nursing view education, what challenge do they face, and how do these two fields envision their future in an increasingly connected world driven by technology. Higher education play a vital role in shaping one's future. In this interview, I interview a nursing student to share her view on the benefit of college, the challenge she faced, and the importance of balancing theory and practice. And now, I will show the video of the interview result that I did yesterday. Hello, my name is Firdani Akbar Pangestu. Usually people call me Firdan. Here I will interview Delia, a second semester nursing student.
Hey Del, how's college going for you? Super busy?
Hey, it's really hectic. Lots of practical and report to do. What about you?
Same here. I am working on a coding project that's driving me crazy. By the way, I am curious, why did you choosing nursing?
I have always been interested in healthcare and I want to help people directly. Nursing is not just about theory, it's about skill and empathy too. How about you? What did you choose IT?
I love technology and how system can make life easier. Plus the IT field is growing fast. So there are tons of career opportunities.
That's true. Technology is becoming a huge part of healthcare too. In hospital, we use electronic systems to keep patient records.
Exactly. IT and healthcare are more connected than ever. AI and data science are even being used for diagnosing disease. What's the biggest challenge in nursing for you?
Probably the mental and physical pressure. We have to memorize a lot of medical information, learn to communicate with patients, and stay emotional strong. That's the biggest challenge in IT.
Keeping up with the latest technology. Everything changes too fast, and debugging code can be really frustrating sometimes.
Yeah, every field has its challenge. How important do you think college education is for the future?
Super important. College is not just about getting a degree. It is about experience, critical thinking, and networking. What do you think?
I agree, especially in healthcare too. Education is crucial because we deal with people life. Even after graduation, we have to keep learning.
That makes sense. Okay, last question. If you could change one thing about the education system, what will it be?
I don't want a better balance between theory and practice. Sometimes what we learn in class is so different from real life situation. How about you?
It love more real world project early in college instead of just learning story.
Totally agree. This was a fun conversation. Even though our fields are different, we actually have a lot in common.
Yeah, thanks for the chat. Good luck with your nursing study.
Some to you. Hope your coding project goes well.
From the interview, several results were obtained. Interview result. First, nursing students chose their major because they want to help people directly. 2. I am informatics student interested in technological development and broad career opportunities. 3. We both agree that college education is not just about degrees, but also building skill and network. 4. Main challenge, mental stress in nursing as well as rapid technological development in informatics. And last, expectation, more real world practice in education. Next is my personal response regarding this educational interview. Personal response. From this interview, I agree that college education is not only about getting a degree, but also about building skills, insight, and network that will be useful in the future. I also agree that the education system needs to balance theory and practice to be more relevant to the world of work. The message that can be taken from the interview that I have conducted with nursing students. This interview highlights the importance of education in both nursing and informatics. So, showing that while our major are different, we share similar challenge and benefit. Education is not just about getting a degree, but also about developing skill, gaining experience, and preparing for the real world. We emphasize that college provide opportunities to build network and a strong foundation for their career. And for the last is the conclusion that I could namely. Conclusion from this discussion, we can conclude that college education plays a crucial role in shaping student future, regardless of their field of study. While nursing focus on healthcare and human well-being, IT contribute to technological advancement that support various industries, including healthcare. Both students agree that balancing theory and practice is essential for effective learning. Ultimately, education is a continuous journey, and adapting to real world challenge is key to success. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.